Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. So guys, this is going to be another swing trading strategy. Okay, so I use even this swing trading strategy. So I have 4 to 5 strategies. So I'll be teaching you guys one by one on coming days. So this strategy's name is called as 52 weeks high. So we are going to trade only the stocks which have broken or which is near its 52 weeks high. Okay, so let me take you guys to the charts and show you how. So if you guys see, these are all the stocks. There are more stocks. So if you guys see this once, I posted this on my YouTube channel, which gave a very good breakout. Next is this one, Tata Consumers. Also, I did gave a breakout. Coffee also gave a breakout. So all these things have given a good breakout. Okay. So how do I analyze this is what I'm going to teach you guys and how I trade this. Okay. So what I do is I do it only on weekly and daily time frame. Okay, I have to have confirmation on weekly and daily time frame and I'll trade it. So where do I get this stock from? So you just go to Google, okay, and just type 52 weeks high charting. Immediately you'll get this link. Press this link. Here you have all the stocks. All these stocks are 52 weeks high stocks. Okay, you need not do a lot of things here because this is already 52 weeks high stocks. So in this, how do you do is you go to the page where it says almost near zero. See, from zero, start from 1% or so. Start from 1%. From here, if you start, all you have to do is copy this, go to your trading view, and paste. Once you paste it, you will get it. You paste it here. Once you paste it here, you will get a chart like this. Here it has already given a breakout. Last time itself it gave here, and I did post it on my channel. If you guys would have watched it, you guys would have definitely seen this. So this has already given a breakout. So what we do is we go to weekly time frame. We don't have any entry, so we cancel it. We delete this stock. Next one is no, don't this is not something to be traded, guys. This and Nifty Healthcare is not something to be traded. Okay, these are our indexes. Next is idea. Go to idea, copy, paste here, paste it here, open the chart. Okay, here if you see on a weekly time frame, I see a lot of resistance here. So what do I do is I will draw a box like this here. This is a valid box and this is also a valid box. Okay, so we can take this out, but we can let's not take it out, keep it here. Okay, for a profit booking. So the market is in uptrend. Go to daily time frame, zoom out. This is your entry and below this is your stop loss and this is your first take profit target. Okay, and for more confirmation you go to indicators, type 3 EMAs. Once you type 3 EMAs, you type it comes here. Okay, see, this is the 3 EMA. So I have 2, let me cancel 1. If you go here, inputs 21 and 44, these are the 2 things I want. I don't want 5. Close it. Green is 21, this is 44, red is 44. That's it. I will enter here, keep my stop loss. And the other thing what I'll do is I will go to my risk management sheet here. Okay, go to my risk management sheet. Here in idea, what is my entry? 14 rupee 55 pice. So I'm gonna enter it at 15 rupees. Okay, I'm entering it at 15 rupees. My stop loss is 13 rupees. 13 rupees. Once I move, so for 1000 rupees risk, I have to buy 500 quantity. Okay, for 1000 rupees risk, I have to buy 500 quantity. Till 10,000, we have it. Okay, till 10,000 rupees of loss, we have it here. Okay, so this is how you guys can trade this. This is a very simple strategy. Just go here. What are the criteria required is, just copy this from here, go to your trading view, paste it, add it on your chart. It will be added. Go to the weekly time frame and see the price action. This is gone, so we don't trade this, we ignore it. Okay, we ignore this. We'll go to the next stock. We'll go to the next stock. Tata Consumer. Tata Consumer, we already have it here. Tata Consumers on a weekly time frame. See, this was all-time high. no, Tata Consumer is this, sorry, yeah, Tata Consumer, this has given a breakout. There is a higher probability it might come down, but it's totally fine. You can still enter this and trade. Go to the next stock. Tata Coffee is there. CESC. CESC is this? No. Let me add it here. It's already there. Yeah, this is CESC. I'm sorry. So if you see on a weekly time frame, this was the last resistance, and the resistance will be broken. Go to the daily time frame. See if it is a good breakout. Yes, it's a good breakout. We can enter here. Keep the stop loss below this. It's because if it comes below this, there is a higher probability when it go down. That is the only logic behind this. Okay, and because the stock is all time going up, okay, it's keep on traveling up. Nobody can be very sure that it's gonna come back. Okay, whoever is saying that market's gonna reverse from here, it's gonna come down. No, don't believe that. That's all bullshit. If a stock is going up, nobody knows when it's gonna come down again. If the stock is going down, nobody knows when it's going to go up again. We just see the probability and we just see the price action. See, it's higher, low. This until unless this low is not broken, until unless this low is not broken completely, I won't sell it. It's that simple. This high is taken out. Yes, it's taken out. Is it sustaining? Yes, it is sustaining. So I'm entering. That is my only reason behind this trade. And these EMS are also supporting. Yes. I don't want to complicate it, guys. I really don't want to complicate it with doing so much of analysis or getting into complex things and really getting annoyed. I really don't like doing that. Okay, so I trade in a very simple way, which actually works out for me in a very good way. So this is another strategy, guys. So that's it for the strategy video. I'll provide all the link of this 52 weeks highs screeners link. Also I'll be providing it in my video, and please see, go till start from 1%, okay, go till some 7-8%, okay, that should do, because if you go more than that, most of the stocks would have been it would have gone so high, and you won't be able to get a good risk to reward ratio, okay, or else it will become like you have to hold for a long time. Okay, and make sure you follow the risk management no matter what, because risk management is the key. Okay, if you have any doubts on the strategy, please comment below. And that's it for the strategy, guys. It's so simple. I know this video ended up really soon. There is nothing more to do in this strategy, because this has been already tuned up. 52 weeks high is the all-time high. It's not all-time high. 52 weeks high is a very good, it's considered as a bullish level. So we enter there, and then we take the trade forward. Okay, so stop loss, make sure the stop loss is under 8%. Okay, so because we are seeing it in weekly time frame, keep it under 8%. And if you see this, how long did this go, I will show you. On a daily time frame, we entered here. Okay, so we entered here, and for this trade to go, it took 52 days. That is 2 months took for us to give 1:2 risk to reward ratio. But after 52 days, you saw what happened. It went 32% up. It was on 17%, 32% up. 2 months, 17% is great. It's not bad at all. Let's see this one also. Tata Coffee. Tata Coffee, we enter somewhere on 5th of September. Okay, so here where we enter. Now we are at this. Now we are at 10%. What more do you want? I don't have a target, and in this don't have a target until unless you see a swing on top. Until unless you don't see a resistance on top, don't see a target. Okay, so here we have a resistance. That is why we are saying if this resistance is also broken, we don't have a target. It can go even to its all-time high. It can go even to 120 rupees. Nobody knows. Okay, nobody knows, and it's been consolidating for a long time. For how long? It's been consolidating for almost 1,245 days or 1,250 days plus. It's been consolidating, so there's a very high probability. Okay, guys, always trade on probabilities. Don't fall emotionally. If one stock hits stop loss like twice, then don't enter it, because that means that stock is not going anywhere. So don't enter that. And please follow the risk management. Don't risk more than 2% of your total capital. Please enter it here. If it's 10 rupees is your entry, enter 10. If your stop loss at 7 rupees, enter it 7 on stop loss, and you will get the difference. You have to buy only 332 quantities, not more than that, to lose 1,000 rupees. Okay, and this is 5,000, 6,000, 7,000. This is rupees. Okay, this is risk in rupees. So and if you're buying randomly, or if you don't have money to buy, if you don't have like 3,000, or if you don't have like 6,000, what you can do is you can just buy like 200 quantities, something like that. You can just buy 200 quantities, and you'll know what is the actual risk. See, actual loss is 600, profit is 1,200. So you can just enter the actual quantities here. That will also give you a value. All right, so thank you so much, guys. That's it for this video. I hope you guys will like it. If there is any doubt, please comment, so it's easy for me to update you guys. So I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you guys will definitely use this strategy. If there is any doubt on the strategy, please comment below, and please like, share and subscribe. Your support will be appreciated. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.